Welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to easily prepare green plantains. Let's get some from the garden. I will be using 2 of these for this demonstration, and the rest will be used in another recipe. Join me in the kitchen. Plantains, especially those that are freshly cut from the garden, have a sticky sap. So spray oil on the inside of the pot, on your hands, and the knife to prevent the sap from staining and sticking. Continue by following the easy directions.